Good morning. Children, do you know that road and transport has become a very important part of every human being? Are you aware of the fact that lakhs of lives are lost due to road accident? In India itself, about 80,000 people are killed in road accident every year. Now let's watch the video.
9 others injured after a bus fell into the Mahanadi riverbed from a bridge near Jagatpur yesterday. The bus, on its way to Kattak from Talcher, crashed into the railing of the bridge and plunged 30 feet down into the dry riverbed. The policemen from Kattak, along with fire brigade personnel and the Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force, rushed to the accident site and rescued the trapped passengers. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik expressed deep concern over the accident.
What did you observe in the video? 12 people were killed and 49 injured after a bus fell into the Mahanadi riverbed from a bridge. Well, why did this accident happen? Overspeeding? Drunken driving? Carelessness? Lack of road safety awareness? Well, don't you think road safety education is necessary for our own safety? Doesn't your school observe Road Safety Week for that? Yes, it is necessary. It is an opportunity to make people understand how to save each human being's life. So let's read the chapter Road Safety Week. Now we will read aloud the text. Paragraph 1. Many people think that road safety is non-essential, but it is always very necessary. Road safety is of paramount importance as it greatly affects people's lives, whether they know it or not. It is the safety of people from roadside injuries and deaths. It involves various methods and measures which must be followed by the road users to prevent these serious injuries and deaths. People such as pedestrians, motorists, cyclists, passengers, etc. run the risk of injury or death on the road. Everyone needs to be well aware of the road traffic rules to avoid such risks. According to the World Health Organization, most of the hospitalization cases and leading causes of death are due to lack of awareness. So everyone should strictly follow all the rules, regulations and signs of road traffic lights. The rise of accidents due to the increase in number of vehicle users demands a greater need of awareness among people about road safety. Word notes: non-essential, not necessary ba odorokari. Paramount, more important than anything else. Atyanto abasyaka. Effect, have an effect upon. Prabhava pakeba. Injury, physical damage to the body caused by accident. Khyati. Prevent, to check or to put an end to. Method, a systematic way of doing something ba paddhati. Measure, step ba padakkhep. Pedestrian, padachari, a person traveling on foot. Motorist, motorcycle chalako, someone who drives an automobile. Hospitalization means hospital care. Awareness, information or knowledge. Tathya ba jnana. Key ideas of paragraph 1. Road safety is very important. It saves people from roadside injuries and death. It tells road users to follow the safety methods and steps. It makes everyone aware of traffic rules and traffic lights. It gives importance on the need of road safety awareness due to the rise of accidents. Now we'll watch this small video on traffic rules and traffic lights.
It's very important to know the traffic signals. Red means stop. When the signal turns red, all the vehicles have to stop. Green means go. only when the signal turns green, vehicles move ahead. Yellow means to slow down. When the signal turns yellow, vehicles should slow down. And now, let's study about the traffic light signals for pedestrians. Red man, do not cross. If you see the red man, it means you should not walk. Green man, safe to cross the intersection. Yes, you can walk now. Now see these signs. They're the traffic warning signs. The warning traffic signs are triangular and have a red border and white background. Normally, a drawing in black indicates the danger.
Comprehension questions, paragraph 1. Question number 1. What is the main idea of paragraph 1? Answer. The main idea of paragraph 1 is about road safety and its importance. Question number 2. Why is road safety important? Answer. Because it saves people from roadside injury and death. Question number 3. What does road safety involve? Answer. It involves various methods and steps to be followed by road users. Question number 4. Who run the risk of injury or death on road? Answer. The pedestrians, motorists, cyclists, passengers, etc. run the risk of injury or death on road. Question number 5. What is the finding of World Health Organization? Answer. Most of the hospitalization cases and causes of death are due to lack of awareness. This is the finding of World Health Organization. Question number 6. What is the cause of the rise of accidents? Answer. The cause of the rise of accidents is due to the increasing number of vehicles on the road.